Welcome to the ultimate list of 100 tools so good they don't even seem real. From precision woodworking gear to powerful pro-grade tools by Makita, Milwaukee, Kreg, and more, these game changers will blow your mind and upgrade your workshop. Let's dive into the future of craftsmanship.
Kreg Adaptive Cutting System. When you're building wood projects, you need a cutting system that can adapt to your needs, whether you're cross-cutting boards to length, ripping them to width, cutting mitered angles, or even cutting plywood sheets and large panels down to size. The adaptive cutting system makes it all possible and more by combining the advantages guiding cutting with the unparalleled versatility of a project table that supports and positions materials precisely. Start your adaptive cutting system with the Kreg plunge saw and 62-inch guide track. The track guides the saw precisely on your cut line and protects against splintering to ensure that you get a straight, smooth cut. The plunge saw features a fully shrouded blade, plus safety features like a retractable riving knife and anti-kickback protection that allow the powerful, variable speed motor to cut safely while your hands stay well away from the blade. Parallel guides and rip guides allow you to lock in repeatable measurements when using the track, so you can take precision cutting anywhere. Build your adaptive cutting system by adding the project table to create a portable cutting system that adapts to your needs. Mounting the guide track to the table allows you to cross-cut and rip solid wood boards, cut mitered angles, bevel edges, plus support and precisely cut plywood and large panels to size. Whether you're cutting solid wood or plywood, whether you're working from the garage to the driveway to the workshop, and whatever you're creating, you can take your project building skills to the next level with a versatile, precise, safe, and portable system that adapts to your needs. The Adaptive Cutting System. Connect Hand Clamp. Part of Crescent's expandable, powerful, and versatile Connect Clamp system, the CCTL 100 3-inch twin lock connector enables you to bring several clamps together to hold multiple workpieces at different angles and expand your overall connection options. Simply attach a twin lock on the end of a rail and slide another Connect clamp into place. The Crescent Connect Hand Clamp offers 500 pounds of holding power to secure your work with almost 60% more force than comparable clamps. That's strong enough to hold heavy objects upright with confidence. The modular Connect Clamp system is ideal for a variety of applications, including furniture building and assembly, cabinet installation, and wherever a vise-style clamp would be useful. It's also great working with fixture complexity, such as handrails at different angles, and heights and clamping round stock to work surfaces, preventing rotating and slip. Large pads provide maximum surface contact and protect delicate surfaces. Pads can be removed to gain additional clearance when working in tight spaces or around overhanging edges. Connect clamps are equally useful as a spreader. Lift the bar lock, slide and reverse the position of the head, and the trigger action now applies force in the opposite direction. An integrated pipe grip is molded into each Connect clamp. Round objects are locked down tight, preventing twisting when cutting and/or drilling. Durable rubber grips add comfort and prevent slips. And Connect clamps are built to last, with a rugged quality that has made the Crescent brand famous. Metabo FS160. This hard-to-find, all-in-one kit features a convenient combo of high-quality guide rails and compatible connectors. A terrific value, this exclusive set provides you with a dependable guide rail system for optimized track saw cutting operations. The included tracks will help align your saw for precision cuts, delivering professional results. Each track acts as an optimizer, providing consistency and impressively accurate results while saving you time and design with controlled assembly. The track saw guide rails are constructed out of extruded aluminum. The extrusion process helps make the most out of the unique combination of physical characteristics that help excel this material in both indoor and cold weather applications. Each component in this set is non-corrosive and highly durable. GRR Rip Lock. GRR Rip Lock is a smart choice for safety. Harness the ultimate gripping power of the only push block with smart heel hooks that know where to grab your workpiece. Smart hooks grab the tail end of the board to give you complete control and confidence to finish the cut. Smart hooks automatically drop down when you need them and instantly retract mid-board. They can also be locked into the retracted position. There when you need them, out of the way when you don't. Nothing is more unnerving than a push pad that slips and breaks down. Our proprietary non-slip green GRR Rip grips like magic and lasts longer than traditional non-slip materials. The podular design is made of pods that individually compress, giving you better traction than flat push pads. The groove allows for wood dust and debris to escape. Easily clean with denatured or whole-sole rubbing alcohol. Use the 90-degree flip guide for veneers and resawing on the bandsaw, or for beaded face frames and other special profiles against the rotor table fence. No matter which way you flip it, smart hooks still fall into place. Auto Jig. The Armor Tool Auto Jig is changing the landscape of pocket hole woodworking and the way you make pocket holes in your store. Our fully automated system automatically adjusts the setting of the drill guide and drill bit color based on the thickness of the part you are holding. See video for demonstration. No more manual adjustments, measurements, or adjustments. The self-adjusting clamp allows different thicknesses to be held without readjustment. Just put your workpiece on the Armor patented Auto Fit clamp and the Auto Jig will do the rest. The color-coded screw system with our Color Coat technology makes it easy to match screw size and head with pocket hole thickness and depth, while the color coding itself offers corrosion protection to your workpiece. The Auto Jig was made with the woodworker in mind. All features are independent in the system: self-adjusting drill guide block, self-adjusting drill bit and drill collar, self-adjusting clamp and dust collection port. The template is fixed at the perfect height to allow 2x4 standard as extension wings and can be easily attached to any surface for a more permanent workstation, auto-adjusting clamp and dust collection port. Milescraft 8403 Laminate Trimmer. Laminate Trimmer has a sleek design allowing you close control when trimming away laminate, edge banding, and veneer. In addition to straight edges, the laminate trimmer works well on round surfaces too. The Milescraft laminate trimmer has a sleek design, allowing you close control when trimming away laminate, edge banding, and veneer. In addition to straight edges, the laminate trimmer also works well on rounded surfaces, and the tool's versatile design allows you to use it from both sides. No matter the size of your hands, the trimmer has a great fit, giving you full control while cutting. The laminate trimmer uses a standard razor blade, which makes replacement easy. No specialty blades required. Ideal for plastic edging and wood veneers. Black & Decker BDCRO 20C. The Black & Decker BDCRO 20C 20-volt max random orbit bit sander with battery and charger allows you to tackle home repairs or upcycle furniture with the power and control you need to remove old material fast. The 20-volt max random orbit bit sander brings cordless convenience for small projects and quick touches. 12K OPM provides the speed to quickly remove material, paint, or stain. The dust collection helps to keep the work surface clean. A hook and loop system helps make paper changes easy. The sander is 30% more compact than leading competitors. Bosch GRO10. GRO 10.8 volt lithium professional cordless multi-rotary tool, powerful motor with high speed, up to 35,000 RPM. For fast work progress, for wide range of professional applications such as cutting, sanding, routing, polishing, and drilling, especially in hard-to-reach areas. Comfortable to use due to compact size, ergonomic design, and integrated LED lighting. Bosch Electronic Cell Protection (ECP) protects the battery against overload, overheating, and deep discharge integrated LED light for illuminating the work area, even in dark places. Practical battery charge level indicator with 3 LEDs, speed pre-selection for adjustments to suit different accessories and work materials. Wide range of professional applications such as cutting, sanding, routing, polishing, and drilling, especially in hard-to-reach areas. Bosch Electronic Cell Protection (ECP) protects the battery against overload, overheating, and deep discharge. Integrated LED light for eliminating the work area, even in dark places. Practical battery charge level indicator with 3 LEDs. Works Blade Runner X2. The Works Blade Runner is the perfect tabletop saw for light-duty sawing in wood, metal, ceramic tile, aluminum, and plastic. Carry the saw to the work site rather than carrying materials to saw. Lightweight and easy to carry. The Blade Runner sets up in seconds. Blade changes are instant, and the 4-inch T-shirt jigsaw blade will work. The traditional guard and riving knife system allows unlimited capacity for cross and rip cuts. Traditional guard and riving system allows unlimited capacity for cross and rip knife. Festool ES ETSC. The new edge sander is ideal for sanding solid wood as well as for intermediate sanding of paint and filler, for all edge finishing work, and for trimming edges with any materials or coating. The new sander makes machine sanding as flexible as manual sanding. However, this process is much faster, as the edge sander provides the support of a machine and the results are less prone to flaws. The edge sander is positioned on the full surface of the edge and ensures perfect sanding of the edge. This Festool sander ensures unparalleled mobility and ease of movement when working, and it is the key to an extremely compact design with balanced weight distribution and perfect ergonomics with a weight of just 1.4 kilograms. The integral dust extraction system, in combination with the long-life dust collection bag, enables the machine to be used flexibly, effortlessly, even overhead, vertically, or in hard-to-reach areas. The battery pack can be replaced with the plug-in mains adapter to achieve an unlimited running time. Ideal for stationary applications and in combination with a Festool mobile dust extractor. DeWalt DT7057AT. Magnetic sleeve holding the screw for professional applications with maximum hold. Bit Cop with light accuracy of fit prevents slipping of the screw heads and thus enables a longer service life. Premium quality material and optimized bit design for optimum flexibility, strength, and extreme durability. DeWalt screw driving bits are a perfect complement to your drill driver and are designed to meet the demands of working professional contractors. Each bit is cut from shock-resistant tool steel and features an advanced hardening process that greatly reduces wear. The snub nose design fits perfectly into hex socket adapters, and the tips are precision ground to seat firmly into the screw head. 200-piece screw driving bit set includes a variety of bit geometries to complete multiple applications. User-friendly carrying case included to keep all components organized. Hexagonal shank offers strong grasp in drill chuck, compatible with most impact drivers and drill drivers. Magic Saw. Save space and money with this compact size multifunction tool. Rely on it to replace 15 tools including hacksaw, coping, pruning, bow, folding, and jab handsaws, bottle, towel, glass, bolt, steel, pipe, and plastic pipe cutters, pruning scissor, chain handsaw. Magic Saw also has a built-in 7 sizes glass plier to be used after rolling the glass with glass roller. The ergonomically designed grip resists slippage and makes cutting experience comfortable and easy. Magic Saw is a handy tool ideal for home, garage, workshop, automotive, school, factory, DIY projects, prototyping, sampling, model building, construction, maintenance, repair, gardening, decoration, advertising, pruning trees, woodworking, educational, R&D projects, art and crafts, leisure activities, i.e. hiking, fishing, camping, hunting, and can be used by plumbers, artists, carpenters, smiths, craftsmen, handyman builders, hobbyists, housewives, children, and all the family. The carbon blades in the original Magic Saw got heat treatment, so very flexible but strong enough for woodworking, cutting metal and wood at the same time. The cutting roller blade made from tungsten carbide was designed to cut flat surface glass, mirror, and tiles. This can cut straight or curved. This was made from diamond particle and able to cut glass, tiles, ceramic, porcelain, pottery, etc., and the circular shape makes every direction for cutting. The thick flat blade saw has very rough and sharp blade teeth. This was designed to cut plywood or plastic and placed into 3 ways. Indexing nail puller. Introducing the Crescent Indexing Nail Puller. Those hard-to-reach spots aren't so hard to reach anymore. This tool features the patented indexing gear and integral teeth. You can adjust the head 180 degrees with 14 different locking positions to reach between studs, rafters, and ceiling joists. Remove nails by adjusting the angle you need for greater access and leverage in those hard-to-reach and tight spots, or adjust it to match the angle of the roof you're working on for more leverage on heavy plywood and old shingles. In addition, the Crescent Indexing Nail Puller exceeds ASME standards for strength, and the joint provides a half-ton of prying power. The forged alloy head allows you to use a hammer so you can make short work of sheared nails or loose flashing. An ergonomic handle provides better grip and user safety. Surface allows for clamp to be driven into nails that are on the surface. Head indexing. 14 positions for quick angle adjustments up to 180 degrees for optimized lever. Tradesman Pro. Illuminate inside your bag or your workspace with the Klein Tools Tradesman Pro Organizer Lighted Tool Bag. It features a removable LED light that can be positioned to shine inside or away from the bag. This light also has a hook and magnet for hands-free use. Twist-on, twist-off removable LED light can be positioned to illuminate inside the bag or the workspace. 31 pockets for maximum tool storage. Fully molded bottom protects from the elements. 4-inch interior for easy tool visibility. 1680D ballistic weave for durability. Shoulder strap with extra padding and handles for easy carrying. Light features swivel hook and magnet for hands-free use. Tool belt system with quick release clip design allows for easy change of tool pouches. 32 grip clip design allows pouch to move with you to keep contents upright. Constructed with durable 1680D ballistic weave. KWB pivoting bit holder with magnet. The triple fix quick change bit holder has a swivel mounted ball head to install screws with a portable electric drill also at inaccessible spots, where the machine's drill chuck would be a hindrance. The swivel mounted ball head can be deactivated by retracting the loose guide sleeve and used as a standard bit holder. Hexagon adapter, 1/4 inch according to ISO 1173, with a strong permanent neodymium magnet, snap ring, quick change function, single hand operation. Bit release simply by retraction of the metal sleeve. Dust extraction systems. When it comes to dust extraction, you either love your system or wish you had a better one. The ability to effectively collect the dust that you're creating is the make or break feature because that's the entire point of its existence. The build quality of this system is excellent. Going with the 14-gallon model earns you a steel frame to go with the rubber wheels and heavier duty locking casters. There is a lock position handle that is very useful for moving this Bosch dust extractor around the shop. The Bosch VAC 140A is on the heavy side, so you'll appreciate the easy rolling and convenient handle. Enables clean and tidy work, reduces cleaning times, and improves user safety protection. Quick and easily attachment directly onto walls for highly convenient operation. Various working positions offer flexibility. Universal dust attachment tool is also suitable for wet use. Capri Tools bolt cutters. This heavy-duty 36-inch bolt cutter can cut through wires, chains, rods, and other metals up to 3/8 inch wide. With long-term durability in mind, these cutters are made of drop-forged, heat-treated chrome moly jaws. The handles are specially designed for increased grip and efficiency. To maximize cutting power, the bolt cutter is designed with serrated blades, which seamlessly share through most metals. As a testament to its quality, this product comes with a lifetime warranty. Chrome molybdenum tops the chart in terms of Rockwell hardness and durability. Using heavy-duty, large bolts, class 10.9, gives bolt cutters significantly more leverage, which leads to easier cutting and less fatigue. Capri Tools is proud to say that their cutters meet the GGG-C 740D Type 2 federal standard. Describing the quality of these industrial bolt cutters isn't enough. They back them up with a lifetime replacement guarantee. Level Lock Stair Leveler Kit. Level your ladder in less than 5 seconds. Finally, a system that enables quick, secure attachment or detachment of ladder accessories, minimizing weight and bulk on ladders that are already too heavy, too bulky, and too awkward. This patented leveling system does just that. Snap the leveler on and go to work. When you're done, pop it off. Put it in your toolbox or snap it onto another ladder for a different job. No other leveler provides as much versatility or safety. Now you can simply and quickly attach a ladder leveler to any ladder, and save money too. By installing just the base units to multiple ladders, each ladder is now ready for the leveler, while adding a minimal amount of weight. Why carry an extra 9 pounds when it's not necessary? Each base unit weighs 9.1 ounces. Works safely on uneven ground. The Quick Connect extends a full 10 inches. 2 easy controls. Rigid Level Max. Introducing Rigid Level Max Anti-Lippage and Spacing System Level Max. Easily correct tile lippage with 3 easy steps. Tile lippage is variation in the height of adjoining tiles, which is a greater issue with the growing popularity of large format tiles, where tile warping is more common. Level Max corrects this with a completely toolless system of intersection joints, offset joints, and straight joints on the floor or wall. First, select the Level Max parts for the type of tile you are laying. The top will be used in all scenarios and is reusable. You'll also want Part B, the flat stem or tiling next to walls or any other straight joints. Then choose Part C for intersections or Part D for offset tiles. The stems are not reusable. Step 1. Place the stem part C or D, depending on your format, under each corner of the tile you are laying. Step 2. After you've laid down all the joining tile, spin the top all the way down until all the tiles are flush to each other. When you get to a wall, repeat the process with Part B. Ideally 2 inches from the wall to hold and level single joint lines. Allow 24 hours for the thin set to set before step 3, and simply kick off the stem, saving the top part A for future jobs. Machine Mountable Detector. Johnson's machine mountable 360-degree laser detector is ideal for bulldozers, front-end loaders, backhoes, and tractors. This unit has a 360-degree receiving window for receiving a red beam rotary laser beam and can be easily clamped or magnetically mounted on any machinery. This UBIT can be used with a 12-volt or 24-volt battery, or with the included rechargeable batteries. When operating laser outdoors on large job sites, you typically can't see the beam. Laser detectors become a mandatory accessory to detect beam height and ensure the accuracy of your work. Detection range up to 650 inches and fine precision plus or minus 3 mm to plus or minus 25 mm and thickness to plus or minus 5 mm to plus or minus 25 mm. It has a large 10-inch receive window and 360-degree receive angle with a battery life per charge of approximately 40 hours. Most Johnson level detectors feature variable audible tones to tell you if you're too high, too low, or on grade. All detectors have a visual indicator to show you high, low, on grade, but the type of indicator varies by model. Clamp it rack. No shop can ever have too many clamps. The only problem is how to store them efficiently. Woodpecker's clamp racket fits 6 parallel clamps in the space normally taken by 2. The clamp racket is made in 2 halves that can mount easily to a single stud, using only leg bolts. It saves valuable shop wall space by fitting 6 parallel jaw clamps into the space previously taken up by just 2. The rack halves are just a fraction over 1.5 inches apart and 12 inches deep, giving you plenty of room for heavy-duty parallel jaw clamps. Not only does clamp racket save space, it's also the easiest to install clamp rack on the market today. DUB 363 Cordless Blower. The Makita DUB 363 LXT brushless blower is a cordless blower powered by 2 18-volt LXT batteries in series and equipped with a high-power brushless motor, ideal for landscapers, groundskeepers, and professional gardeners. The powerful performance output is similar to a 25 ml class engine blower in both blower and vacuum applications. Designed with features to make work easier and more efficient. The machine features a cruise control function, constant speed control, and variable speed control. The 3-stage telescopic nozzle with long nozzle has an adjustment range of 100 millimeters. Supplied with the 2x5.0 AH batteries and DC18RD twin charger. Powered by 2 18-volt lithium-ion batteries in series to supply energy to the powerful 36-volt DC motor drive system. High air volume and speed delivered by brushless motor. Cruise control lever allows you to lock the variable speed control trigger at the desired power level. The motor does not start up until the nozzle and fan cover have been properly installed. 3-stage telescopic long nozzle with adjustment range of 100 millimeters. Turbo Sea Scooter. The Asiwu Turbo Jet Water Scooter is a powerful, portable, and lightweight personal water cruiser for all water sports enthusiasts. Designed to fit in your airplane carry-on and lightweight at 7.7 pounds, you can take it with you whenever and wherever. Fun for both adults and kids. 3-gear rotational speed control progressive acceleration system. Precise changes to the speed. Self-floating design will prevent sea scooter sink. Superior safety features. Child safety lock will avoid operation mistakenly. Portable and smallest design with 7.7 pounds weight. Makes it easy to carry during traveling. 4 LED battery indicator. When the magnet switch is pressed, the LED indicator lights up, providing the diver with a guide to remaining battery power. FOC, field-oriented control for superlinearity and high torque and extreme silence. Buoyancy chamber that allows the sea scooter to naturally float back up to the surface if dropped or out of power. Turbo scooter comes with a streamlined and symmetrical design that reduces water resistance for a smoother ride. 2 by 600 watt motors release 19.84 pound thrust and 5.6 km/h speeds to explore up to 30 meters underwater. It is powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, which can run up for 35 minutes in normal range. Cubanote Pro, the world's first internet-enabled sticky note printer, label maker, and paper messenger. Capture inspiration in any form. This compact office accessory lets you print anything on your phone. Just put the paper in and you're ready to stick or share your ideas to any part of the world. text, images, doodles, QR code, and more. If you can capture it on your screen, Cubanote can print it on sticky notes. The note size can be standard 3x3 or customized, and you can stick it on any surface with no residue. Design and print your own labels in any size with customized fonts, frames, and images. This allows you to meet all your home and office labeling needs. Cubanote is both Bluetooth and Internet enabled. This allows you to send a real paper message to any part of the world. It is like a modern-day fax machine without a phone line. Klein Tools D201. These Ironworkers pliers cut and twist rebar tie wire. They feature aggressive teeth for a strong grip when twisting and pulling. The spring-loaded design enables self-opening. Exclusive handle tempering absorbs the snap when cutting wire. Hook bend in the handle provides added grip and leverage. 9-inch pliers are ideal to twist and cut the rebar tie wire. Features aggressive teeth for a strong grip. Spring-loaded action ensures self-opening of the jaws. Hot riveted joint for smooth action and no handle wobble. Side cutting knives at hinge. Forged steel for maximum durability. Twist and cuts soft annealed rebar tie wire. Hot riveted joints for smooth action and no handle wobble. Exclusive handle tempering absorbs the snap when cutting wire. Matrix 6 Tool Combo Kit. The Black & Decker BDCD MT1206 KITC Matrix 6 Tool Combo Kit is an all-in-one kit to tackle most jobs around the house. The 20-volt max motor provides enough power for a full range of applications and attachments. The 20-volt max lithium-ion battery holds a charge up to 18 months, so it is ready when you need it. The innovative Matrix Quick Connect system allows for quick and easy changing of all included attachments: a drill driver, sander, jigsaw, oscillating router, and impact driver attachments. The impact driver attachment delivers high-performance output without kickback, along with a variable speed feature that allows for precision performance that is right for each job. The sanding attachment is a versatile product that can be used for finish sanding, rust removal, dry scrubbing, polishing, and detail sanding. The jig attachment is designed for tool-free blade changes for fast and easy change of blades. The rotor attachment delivers high speeds for fast trimming and decorative woodwork, and the oscillating attachment accepts a variety of Black & Decker accessories sold separately, which can be used to cut drywall, metal, wood, plastic, composite, and many other materials. Makita DTR 180. Makita has delivered a cordless tying solution for rebar and steel rod with the DTR 180 18-volt LXT lithium-ion brushless cordless rebar tying tool. The 18-volt LXT lithium-ion brushless cordless rebar tying tool has a tying capacity of up to 6,400 ties per charge using a 6.0 amp per hour LXT battery. Tie multiple bars in under 1 second. The tool can also tie up to 3 D16 diameter bars or 4 D13 diameter bars. The 18-volt LXT lithium-ion brushless cordless rebar tying tool features 2 modes of operation, single or continuous, and a BL brushless motor that's engineered to run cooler and more efficiently for a longer life than standard motors. Users can digitally adjust the tying strength to match various tension strength requirements. The DTR 180 features an easy load wire reel design with an automatic locking mechanism built into the protective cover. 2-mode operation provides single or continuous wire connection for fast and efficient tying. Fast, seamless wire reel. Easy loading to design with automatic locking mechanism built into the protective cover. Makita T02369. The Makita 8-piece, 1/4-inch, 6-point impact socket set features high-strength, 6-point sockets designed to be used with impact driver, impact wrenches, and ratchets. The socket set comes with a flexible boot that makes storage convenient for both the adapter and the sockets. Sockets are made from heat-treated alloy steel for high-torque applications. Black oxide coated to resist corrosion for longer socket life. High-strength 6-point drive sockets for high-torque applications. Sockets are ideal for use with impact drivers, impact wrenches, and ratchets. Includes flexible boot with convenient storage of both the sockets and adapter. Also available with chrome and knurled finishes. Socket wrenches and sets feature reversible drive action for flexibility and ease of use. Armag Brickline Runner. The Brickline Runner is the new tool for builders and bricklayers, which provide a quick and simple way to run a line and allow simultaneous work on multiple walls. Featuring spring-loaded jaws to provide a sturdy clamping solution, resulting in a no-dropped corner block for time and hassle-free work. Simply fix the clamps, run the line, and lay your course. The Brickline Runner is made to fit securely over bricks with rubber pads which grip tightly to the brick surface, meaning there is no requirement to maintain perfect tension when setting up the line. Simply set the line up slack and clamp off tight. Brick lines can be easily run around both internal and external corners due to the product featuring line slots in the external jaw, allowing builders to maximize their time efficiently. AirShim Inflatable Pry Bar and Leveling Tool. The AirShim allows a single installer to position and hold items in place, saving job site time and reducing labor costs by providing a much-needed extra hand in installations. It's perfect for window and door installers, interior construction professionals, installers of appliances and small equipment, other skilled craftsmen, and serious DIYs. Installation made easy. Simply place AirShim under the door and squeeze the bulb to the right height for quick one-person alignment and installation. No more damage. The tough but soft material won't scuff, scrape, or leave a mark on expensive cabinetry, furniture, or walls. Leveling made easy. Used to align and level heavy appliances and move equipment away from walls to access plugs or just to clean. Just insert the AirShim and pump with your hand or foot. Don't waste time by cutting shims to measurement anymore. The adjustment valve allows precise, easy one-hand leveling. Rounded corner and internal stiffener gets into tight 3 and 32nd inch gaps and won't fold under pressure. Compact Router. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Compact Router combines power, speed, and precision depth settings to deliver clean, precise cuts in a variety of materials and applications. The Compact Router takes advantage of the Power State brushless motor and RedLink Plus electronics. This offers the power of wired 1.25 horsepower cutting routers and best-in-class 31,000 RPM, offering users power and speed for quality clean cuts on hard materials. Powered by an M18 Red Lithium XC 5.0 battery, the compact wireless router cuts up to 250 feet of 3/8-inch roundover in red oak, providing users with all-day uptime with fewer trips to the charger. The handheld router is equipped with a micro adjustment dial and a macro adjustment button, allowing users to make quick and precise depth adjustments for highly accurate work. A variable speed dial with a speed of 10,000 to 31,000 RPM allows users to control in all applications. Flexzilla. Introducing Flexzilla blowguns and accessories. Flexzilla features an ergonomically superior gun body for maximum comfort and control, which reduces operator fatigue. A variable flow trigger regulates air volume precisely with maximum flow, equal to or greater than the competition. The exclusive modular accessory system allows the Flexzilla blowguns to be customized for extension length and tips needed for any job. Flexzilla safety nozzles and bendable extension are labeled to meet or exceed OSHA standards. Reduces fatigue, ergonomically superior aluminum gun body for maximum comfort and control. Durable die-cast aluminum air gun body, which features long service life. Rubber-covered pistol grip. All tips are made of aluminum. Lightweight material air pistol for cleaning large workshop areas, outdoor furniture, lawnmower covers, large machinery, and heavy equipment. Lightweight design makes it convenient for cleaning heavy debris in hard-to-reach areas. Ideal for high-volume blowgun cleaning, surface preparation, and more. Flexzilla has a series of accessories of air compressor, air hose, air mandrel, air accessories, etc. It is committed to providing excellent value, long-lasting, high-quality customer service to the customers. Feedback Sports Ratchet Set. Rent your bike and install lightweight components with precision and confidence with Feedback Sports Range Ratchet Combo. This tool provides a flexible bar torque wrench and the convenience of a two-way ratchet. Its compact size and included case makes it easy to place in the travel toolbox or on top of your ready-to-use home workbench. The aluminum body ratchet receives signature Feedback Sports Red anodizing and is a pleasure to wear. Simply install the desired bit, install in the fastener, and apply pressure to the torque knob on the end of the wrench. You will receive a reading between 2 and 10 Newton meters on the clearly marked dial to inform you when the proper torque is achieved. The range includes 14 commonly used hex, Torx, and Phillips bits, and includes 2 extended tips for harder to reach areas. The bits are made of durable S2 steel, and each is stamped with its size and has its own place in the protective sleeve. Zippered, the entire case fits in the palm of your hand and almost gives you zero excuses for not knowing the torque of each component you install. Painter's Tape Applicator. Scotch Blue Painter's Tape Applicator is your new go-to tool for faster, easier prep. There's a new way to prep with precision. The Scotch Blue Painter's Tape Applicator applies painter's tape in one continuous strip, with an easy-to-hold circular grip and a felt pad that gently glides across surfaces. Plastic rollers tightly seal the tape to a variety of surfaces. Great for use on trim, baseboards, windows, and door frames, and the sharp blade provides a straight, precise cut for use on trims, baseboard, windows, and door frames. PNG 2000A. Handheld is responsive, reliable, and easy to operate. LNG detects natural gas detector, LPG, CH4, gas, methane, and butane gas. Gas leak detector has an LED light that indicates how severe the gas can be. Yellow indicates 200 parts per million, red indicates 500 parts per million. Gas sniffer has a catalytic combustion sensor, multiple commercial uses, and home gas leak detector to detect the presence of natural hazardous gases. Comes calibrated for detection. The tool is ready for use directly on arrival. Unlike others, our natural gas leak detector is compact and lightweight and can be taken on the go. It has 5 distinct LED lights with parts per million ratings to let you know approximately how much gas is in the air. This feature makes it easier to hone in on leaks because the amount of gas will increase the closer you get. The adjustable sensitivity dial makes it easier to pinpoint a leak because you can start off at a high sensitivity level and then gradually work your way down until you identify the leak's location. Dupre Steam Cleaner. Neat Steam Cleaner is an efficient and ultra-reliable cleaning and sanitation solution. Designed for performance, ease of use, and durability, the Steam Cleaner offers the cleaning power of much larger professional units. It can easily remove dirt, grease, and stains, while killing 99.9% of bacteria, viruses, pathogens, bedbugs, mold, and other undesirables from any kind of flooring, furniture, toys, kitchen appliances, car interiors, roads and tiles, bathrooms, and more. Give your home a deep clean and experience perfect results with Dupre Neat Steam Cleaner. Rapid heating, 7 minutes. Use running tap water. It works on all surfaces. Large capacity tank at 54 ounce and 50.7 fluid ounce. Up to 50 minutes cleaning time. Light and portable. Superheated vaporizer with low humidity up to 275 degrees. Steam lock for continuous steam cleaning. Integrated funnel. No more disasters. Retractable handle. Extra long power cord. 16.4 feet with integrated cord wrap. Go anywhere. 6.6 foot steam hose. Smooth wheels. Certified insurance. ETL listed for the US and Canada. Gear wrench wing light. The rechargeable 1000 lumen gear wrench wing light with underhood rack beams a brilliant clean light. Since it moves along the rack, there's no area under the hood it can't cover. The light also comes off the rack to become a flashlight or spotlight that uses a magnet to stick to other areas of a vehicle. The light quality is excellent, plus it's bright and dynamic. Its transformer-like ability to become a flashlight or spotlight with a magnet is a big bonus as well. With roughly a 4-hour runtime, an EP54 rating, rechargeable lithium-ion battery with indicator provides up to 4 hours of runtime. It offers constant current so the light does not dim when the battery runs low. Magnet and hook to hang on the base for easy positioning. Double LED 500 and 1000 lumens with COB technology. Flex head ratcheting wrenches. The flex head tilts up to 180 degrees for further access to fasteners, which is 3.6 degrees of swing arc. They will make your job a whole lot easier. 100-tooth ratchet gear is achievable only through expert engineering and precise craftsmanship. The smooth ratcheting mechanism makes it a joy to use. All of these components are engineered to fit in a slim profile to make these the go-to wrench for pros. Open end features 6-point anti-slip groove that grips on the bolt and provides slippage while you work. The open end is tipped at a 15-degree angle. It is useful especially in tight spots. After each 15-degree turn, flip the wrench over to quickly engage the fastener again. Flawless chrome plating, achieved by thorough polishing and careful application of chrome protective plating, ensures durability and corrosion resistance. The lumber lock. The lumber lock is a revolutionary breakthrough for all construction and maintenance trades, and is especially great for projects around the house that you like to do yourself. The lumber lock will hold dozens of different lumber shapes and sizes, from 2 inches to 12 inches. It keeps lumber from moving and spinning for added speed and safety, and it allows you to have both hands free for proper handling of power and hand tools. Your lumber is safely raised above the ground for measuring, cutting, drilling, and finishing lumber projects. Lumber lock is there to serve as an extra pair of hands. Elevate your flooring material to safely measure, cut, drill, and finish all wood projects. It secures the wood to prevent movement, which allows you to have both hands free. Multiple manual clamp ports fix dozens of different shapes and sizes from 2 inches to 12 inches. Made of solid steel in a bright yellow color for increased visibility and safety. Connectors crimping tools. Heat shrink connectors have become one of the most popular connectors in the electrical area. It allows you to create a securely sealed repair and splicing of wire connections. In this way, IWIS has released the latest heat shrinking crimp plier, and it is an important accessory in our electrical work, a handy tool for your crimping projects. This crimping tool can automatically adjust to the appropriate diameter for crimping. The ratchet mechanism provides automatic release as soon as the required force is attained. Automatically adjust itself to the appropriate diameter for crimping terminals. Accuracy and reliability crimps every time. Labor-saving ratchet mechanism. The non-slip nylon handle is designed for providing you with easy operation and sturdy crimps. Connector's crimping toolkit could help you quickly complete the wiring, suitable for all kinds of equipment switches, batteries, cars and household, electric components with pins, etc. Works WX051 Pegasus. Take on your favorite projects in a whole new way with the innovative Works Pegasus. The Pegasus is a versatile workstation that converts from a table to a sawhorse in seconds. It can be joined with other Pegasus tables to create a larger work surface, and includes a dual clamping system to hold any object securely in place. As a work table, the Pegasus offers a 31-inch by 25-inch surface, capable of supporting up to 300 pounds. The unique link lock system ensures your Pegasus table will hold heavier materials without buckling or folding. 2 quick adjusting bar clamps slide along the built-in tabletop channels and act like a second set of hands to hold straight edge materials in place for cutting, gluing, painting, varnishing, and any other DIY tasks. You can also remove the clamps and simply fold down the sides of the Pegasus for a sturdy sawhorse that can support up to 1,000 pounds. In sawhorse mode, the Pegasus has indentation wells designed to help hold a standard 2x4 steady so you can work more safely and easily. Shoulder dolly. Make moving feel effortless with the shoulder dolly 2-person lifting and moving system. By using the ergonomic shoulder harnesses, movers and lifters can lift without worry by lifting and securing items better than ever. Not only will appliances, TVs, furniture, and all other heavy bulky items be more secure when using the shoulder dolly, but back pain and strain will be avoided by putting the work on the body's strongest muscles and using proper lifting techniques. Whether you are a professional mover, delivery team, or simply moving residences, you can move large objects while keeping your hands free to maneuver doors, manage stairs, and stabilize items even better without putting the lifting strain on your arms. The adjustability of the strap will allow not only unlimited range of motion for the movers, but will also allow for moving and lifting nearly any possible item up to 800 pounds heavy and 10 feet long. This 2-person system was designed by a professional mover to ease the burden of lifting heavy and bulky objects. The shoulder dolly gives you a hand in moving the heavy stuff and reduces back, arm, and hand strain. This 2-person system was designed by a professional mover to ease the burden of lifting heavy and bulky objects. PB Swiss Tools. The perfect dimensional accuracy and the hard and tough special alloying make for precise, durable tools. The variety of long and short hex key L wrenches, chrome-plated or powder-coated, with or without ball heads, leaves nothing to be desired. For every hex key L wrench, tolerances are guaranteed that are smaller than a human hair. This enables the hex keys to fit perfectly into the corresponding screws. In accordance with the ISO standard, the permissible deviation for a hex key L-wrench of size 1.5 mm is just 0.025 mm. A human hair is significantly thicker at 0.07 mm. Thanks to the short hex key L-wrench part and the 100-degree angle, there are no more inaccessible screws. Compared to conventional L-wrenches, the shorter hex key L-wrench part is ideal for tight spaces and makes it easier to reach screws and bolts that are difficult to access. The knurling on the shaft increases non-slip properties in wet or oily environments, thereby increasing safety. The round shaft provides longer fatigue strength of the tools. Wera 056491. Combination tool consisting of a ratchet, bits, sockets, and holder in a minimum of space. Ideal as a universal companion for a whole host of screw-driving applications. High-quality bit holder with Craft Form Plus handle for pleasant, ergonomic working that prevents blisters and calluses. Hard gripping zones for high working speeds, whereas soft zones ensure high torque transfer. Mini ratchet for rapid working when fastening jobs with a power tool or conventional hand tools are not feasible due to insufficient space. Rapid changeover from left to right direction and vice versa by using the switchover lever. Fast work possible by turning the thumb wheel on the ratchet head. Simplest operation even with just one hand. Ergonomic ratchet head lever. Craft form geometry with perfectly shaped contact areas for the fingers. The direct bit take-up in the ratchet head makes for a mini tool design and is ideal for low working heights. Metabo heat gun. The Metabo HG18 LTX 500 18-volt cordless heat gun air unit is a lightweight but powerful hot air gun that heats up rapidly and is ready to use at 300 degrees Celsius in just 5 seconds. The larger air volume and higher temperature means this tool delivers maximum performance. The handle is slim and rubberized for improved safety, and the tool includes an LED work light to illuminate the darker areas. The hot air gun comes with 2 matching nozzles, which can be used to shape, crimp, weld, and remove varnish, among other functions. The 8.0 Ah battery provides over 20 minutes of runtime and has a display feature to clearly convey charge status. Ideal for trade professionals and DIY. BAT 20CD. BAT 20CW. Klein's compact impact driver for professional impact fastening and drilling applications. Offers 210 foot-pounds of max torque to get the job done fast. Engineered and designed by Klein Tools in the USA, the impact function makes this tool particularly useful for driving fasteners in wood, metal, and concrete. The variable speed trigger provides better control. Users can change driving bits quickly with the 1/4-inch quick connect chuck. The Klein Power Tools lineup now includes both a compact impact wrench and a compact impact driver. Klein's BAT 20 CW impact wrench features a 1/2-inch square drive with a pin detent. The Klein BAT 20 CD impact driver features a 1/4-inch quick connects hex chuck. Looking at both tools, the only difference between them appears to be the driver system chuck. Both Klein Power Tools features a brushless motor that generates up to 210 foot-pounds of torque. Both give you variable speed triggers to feather the speed up to 2200 RPM. Finally, both tools can tap out up to 2200 impacts per minute. Milwaukee framing nailer. The Milwaukee M18 fuel framing nailer sets the new standard for cordless framing nailers. It has a nitrogen spring mechanism, power state brushless motor, and RedLink intelligence, providing pneumatic performance and cordless convenience. The framing nailer can sink full round head nails into dense engineered lumber to tackle the most demanding framing applications. To increase productivity and efficiency, the framing gun fires 3 nails per second with 0 ramp-up time, firing a nail as soon as the trigger is pulled. The cordless framing nailer uses only Milwaukee's red lithium batteries and sealed compressed nitrogen to drive each nail, eliminating the cost of gas cartridges and associated maintenance. The framing nailer delivers pneumatic performance and durability that professional carpenters expect, without the hassle of a compressor and hose or gas cartridge. No gas cartridges and no cleaning required. Designed to deliver durability and reliability to the most demanding users with very little maintenance. 2-mode selection allows for sequential fire for precision or pump fire for speed. Tool-free, quick and easy depth adjustment to assure nails are driven sub-flush. Dry fire lockout stops the tool being fired when there are no nails left in the magazine. Fires up to 700 nails per charge on a red lithium 5.0 amp-hour battery pack for maximum productivity. Harper Trucks JDC 2223. Made in the USA, the Harper Quick Change 3-position lightweight steel convertible dolly and cart is the only personal assistant you need for all your home, work, or office moving needs. Harper's exclusive easy-to-use quick change mechanism converts truck positions in seconds. No tools or pin required. High-strength steel, 44-inch tall frame accommodates loads up to 400 pounds. 4-wheel incline assist mode for even weight distribution and better load control in tight spaces. 4-wheel cart design makes simple work of large, heavy, and oversized loads. Large mold-on rubber 8-inch flat-free wheels and 3-inch swivel casters for easy maneuverability. The Harper Quick Change 3-in-1 convertible hand truck is large enough for most moving jobs, and its compact size stores easily in a closet or auto trunk. 8-inch wheels with solid rubber tread and 3-inch swivel wheels for easy maneuverability. Industrial-grade robotic welded heavy-duty steel frame and shafts for long product life. Makita XUC0 1PT X1 18-volt ×2 LXT lithium-ion brushless power-assisted flat dolly is a convenient solution for material transport on job sites. You can use 1 or 2 Makita 18-volt LXT batteries, use one 6-amp-per-hour battery, and get up to 60 minutes of runtime under load. For a longer runtime, drop in a second LXT battery and double the runtime. Batteries and chargers sold separately. Makita brushless motors are engineered for up to 50% longer runtime, increased power and speed, and the hand truck wheelbarrow has a Makita-built BL brushless motor that provides high power efficiency for transporting up to 275 pounds of material on job sites. It has 2 speed settings with a maximum speed of 2.5 miles per hour on a 12-degree incline. For versatility and convenience, the wheelbarrow is reversible with side rails on the flatbed for easy up and down installation. Additional accessories include a steel tube flatbed included and steel bucket sold separately. For added convenience, the rear wheels adjust from 19 inches to 30 inches to accommodate the work environment and can also be detached and replaced with easy installed L-shaped legs. LED lights are located on each side of the frame to help illuminate the work area. The power-assisted hand truck features extreme protection technology, XPT, engineered for increased dust and water resistance for operation in harsh job site conditions. Lights are located on each side of the frame to help illuminate the work area. The power-assisted hand truck features extreme protection technology, XPT, engineered for increased dust and water resistance for operation in harsh job site conditions. Lights are located on each side of the frame to help illuminate the work area. The power-assisted hand truck features extreme protection technology, XPT, engineered for increased dust and water resistance for operation in harsh job site conditions. Rigid 31305. Featuring an innovative jaw design, the Rigid 31305 hex wrench provides a multi-sided, secure grip on all hex nuts, square nuts, unions, and valve packing nuts. Its offset design has an extra-wide opening that is ideal for securing drain nuts on sinks and tubs, while the wide jaw also allows the hex pipe wrench to easily fit around pipes ranging from 1 1/8 inches up to 2 5/8 inches. The hex wrench has thin, smooth jaws that slip into tight spaces for on-the-job convenience. Hex jaw design provides a secure, multi-sided grip on all hex nuts, square nuts, unions, and valve packings. Trend Easy Scribe. The Trend Easy Scribe scribing tool is useful for a multitude of applications, including hanging doors, installing worktops, plinths, skirting, architraves, flooring, window boards, paneling, shop fitting, and tiling. On top of all that, this woodworking and metalworking tool can be used as a marking gauge. With a thin guide plate, the Easy Scribe from Trend Routing Technology provides for access into narrow gaps, ensuring full versatility. The flat base keeps the object in contact to be sure of a consistent scribe. With a narrow pencil line of 1/32 inch, 0.7 millimeter wide, this scribing tool helps you work with great accuracy. Hand drawing tool for architrave, skirting boards, door hinge scribing, scribing countertops, depth adjustment, etc. Articulated arm allows the required offset to be precision from 3/64 of an inch, 1 millimeter, to 1 9/16 inch, 40 millimeter, giving full flexibility. Thumb wheel adjustment. Folding jab saw. Carrying a jab saw can rip or tear your tool bag. With Klein Tools Folding Jab Saw, There's no need for taped up homemade sheaths or big holes in your tool pouch. The fast-cutting carbon steel blade is as sturdy as a fixed blade saw, but folds smartly into the comfort grip handle. The lockback mechanism secures the blade at a full 180 degrees and also at 125 degrees for those hard-to-reach spots. Folding saw stores conveniently and easily. This blade is as sturdy as a fixed blade jab saw. Blade locks securely open at both 180 and 125 degrees. Comfortable, non-slip grip handle. Lanyard hole for tethering. Designed to cut through drywall, wallboard, plywood, plastic, and other construction materials. For more than 160 years, Klein Tools has manufactured premium quality, professional-grade hand tools that deliver the performance, durability, and precision needed to get the job done right. Cabinet Hardware Jig. The Cabinet Hardware Jig takes the guesswork out of installing cabinet knobs and pulls. The movable edge guide and measuring scale make it easy to position knobs precisely, while adjustable drill guides ensure straight holes for perfect knob and pull positioning every time. Perfect for new construction and for refreshing entire rooms. The Cabinet Hardware Jig provides a simple solution for the intimidating task of drilling mounting holes for cabinet knobs and pulls. Whether you're installing one new knob or dozens of drawer pulls, the jig ensures that you'll drill accurately and consistently every time, so you get results that exceed your expectations. Whether you're updating your cabinets or you're building a project from scratch, adding hardware like knobs and pulls is often one of the final steps, and one of the most intimidating. The Cabinet Hardware Jig features movable, hardened steel drill guides that lock in place to align with common hole spacing measurements for cabinets and knobs. The Cabinet Hardware Jig features movable, hardened steel drill guides that lock in place to align with common hole spacing measurements for cabinet knobs and pulls. This allows you to confidently drill straight, accurately position holes. A movable edge guide and built-in measurable scale, in imperial and metric, ensure that those holes will be positioned where you want it every time, which means you can drill as many holes as you need without the uncertainty and potential mistakes that can come with measuring and marking every one. The Cabinet Hardware Jig is designed to be intuitive for beginners to use, but robust enough for professionals. All you need is a drill and a 3/16" bit, and the ability to set the jig to match your hardware in the position where you want it to go. Durable polymer construction makes the jig tough but light, and hardened steel drill guides ensure that you'll get straight, accurate holes, whether you're drilling one, a few, or hundreds. Crescent 2-in-1 Combo Plier. The Crescent 2-in-1 Combo Plier features an innovative design, allowing it to do the job of two tools without sacrificing performance. The plier features two sets of jaws, a linesman head and a wire stripper head between the handles. The slide lock switch locks the handles in place for the desired plier head and makes switching between the two heads quick and easy. Unique design combines a linesman's pliers and wire stripper in one tool. Makes quick and efficient work of wire connections by performing both cutting and stripping operations. Provides benefits of multi-purpose tool with the precision and performance of high-quality pliers. Unique design combines a plier line installer and wire stripper in one tool. Makes quick and efficient work of cutting operations by making both cable and wire stripper connections. Provides multi-purpose tool benefits with precision and high-quality performance pliers. ARS Magnetic Socket Holder. The ARS 70232 is a small and portable socket organizer that comes in different sizes. However, this model is a specialist socket organizer that holds only one type of socket size at a time. You can choose the socket size model during purchase. In addition, what demarks this unit in this socket organizer review remains its magnetic socket, which provides it with a firmer and more secure storing ability. We also like the fact that the socket size is clearly marked, and the white on red contrast makes the markings very visible, even in low light conditions. The bottom of the tray also has a rubber pad that prevents it from damaging the surface. All in all, the ARS 70232 is a simple and yet highly effective magnetic socket organizer. If you only work with a specific socket size, this is an excellent model to consider. Crescent Multi-Driver. The Crescent Quick Connect multi-bit driver replaces the need to carry multiple fastening tools. Integrated into the corrosion-resistant polished chrome shafts are 3 common size nut drivers and 2 dual-sided premium-grade Phillip and slotted bits. 2 unique features make the Quick Convert multi-driver a must-have tool you'll use every day. First is the T-handle conversion that significantly increases torque. In a single tool, you have the speed of a straight handle and the power of a T-handle. Second, is a built-in crescent universal socket that conforms to any fastener shape from 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch. The dual material cushion handle provides a non-slip grip and resists oil and grease. Unique pin socket on driver handle self-adjusts to a variety of fastener sizes and shape. Quick conversion design allows users to adjust to a T-handle position for increased torque. Use the T-handle position to torque down or remove stubborn fasteners. Drivers lock in both standard and T-handle position. Klein Tools Hybrid Tool Strip. Klein Tools Hybrid Multi-Purpose Tool Strip cut, twist, shear, and crimp with one tool. With full-length, induction-hardened knives and a high-leverage design, these hybrid pliers provide more cutting power on hard wire. It easily strips 1014 AWG solid and 1216 stranded wire. The wide, knurled head easily grabs and twists wires. Convenient holes for sharing 632 and 832 bolts, plus a crimper for non-insulated connectors, lugs, and terminals. Make this a must-have tool for your bag. Strip, cut, twist, shear, and crimp with one tool. Shear 632 and 832 bolts. Used to strip 1014 AWG solid and 1216 stranded wire. Crimps non-insulated connectors, lugs, and terminals. Full-length, induction-hardened cutting knives for hard wire. Magnet driver. Tired of losing screws, costing you more time and money? Unable to use one hand to do the job? The magnet driver is here to make your life easier. Compatible with both power bits and screwdrivers, the magnet driver is the perfect addition to your toolkit, helping to keep your screws straight and in place. You can easily use one hand to get the job done. Rare earth magnets provide the strength necessary to ensure your screw stays where it needs to be. Available in multiple sets, the magnet driver is here to make your life and your job easier. Rare earth magnets are extremely powerful, ensuring that your screw stays connected to the bit. Magnetic screwdriver design keeps your screw straight, helping to prevent cross-threading, ensuring direct driving. This also helps prevent loose screws, as the magnetic screwdriver will keep your screw firmly attached to your screwdriver. Don't look for the right size around your toolkit. Easily identified color magnet drivers let you find the right size with ease. Each item in the magnet controller line contains the same color-coded size, so no matter what game you get, all sizes will be easily found. Whether you're using a screwdriver or an impact screwdriver, the magnetic screwdriver is made to work with all of them. With a soft rubber base, the magnet driver can be compressed to ensure a solid drive and can help prevent over-tightening for hand-tightened screws. Hoover Carpet Cleaner. The Hoover Smartwash Automatic Carpet Cleaner eliminates the guesswork with automatic cleaning technology that makes carpet cleaning as easy as vacuuming. Simply push forward to clean, pull back to dry. No multiple buttons, no solution measuring, no hassle. Just seriously simple and seriously powerful. Remove deep down embedded dirt with Flex Force power brushes. Plus, AutoMix precisely mixes and dispenses the correct amount of solution for optimal cleaning, while Auto Dry powerfully extracts water with heat force for an even faster drying time. Automatic cleaning technology. Push forward to clean and pull back to dry. Automatic cleaning motion detection design eliminates doubts. Automatically mixes accurately and dispenses solutions for optimal cleaning. Automatic drying that offers powerful extraction with heat force for faster drying. Brushless Flex Force power gently removes deep dirt, debris, and dirt from pets. RotoRazor Platinum Saw. RotoRazor Platinum houses an adjustable cutting depth lever, which allows you to choose the depth of your cut, whether shallow, medium, or deep cuts, up to 1 inch max. This feature makes it so useful for any type of project, whether you're trying to avoid cutting wire behind drywall or slicing straight through a piece of solid wood or sheet metal. Cut in any direction, horizontally, vertically, straight and curved lines, corners, and even upside down for easy shallow cuts on ceilings. RotoRazor's guide rail allows you to see exactly where you're slicing through, making it perfect for any shape your project requires. The dust extraction hose attaches to any household vacuum to suck out all the dust and mess, to avoid getting sawdust all over your clothes or the floor. The parallel guide rail enables you to make longer, straight as an arrow precision cuts. RotoRazor Platinum Electric Mini Circular Saw versatile and easy to use, perfect for any DIY home projects for men and women. Installing wood floors, tiles, grout repair, fences, planters, herb gardens, signs, birdhouses, dollhouses, drywall repair, pipes, and much more. RotoRazor Platinum Strong Motor, 500 watts, 4,500 RPMs. Cuts 1 inch in a single pass. Adjustable thickness depth. Includes parallel guide rail to ensure straight, precise cuts easily and quickly. Roto-razor saw is a combination of jigsaw, circular, hand, band, towel, hacksaw, and miter saw. Ring Protect. Replace your outdated security lights with Floodlight Cam, a motion-activated HD camera with two-way talk, lights, and a siren. See, hear, and speak to people on your property. Shine the lights on all your blind spots and sound the siren remotely, all from your phone, tablet, and PC. Monitor your property in HD video and check in on home at any time with live view-on-demand video and audio. Get alerts on your phone, tablet, and PC when anyone steps on your property and triggers Ring's built-in motion sensors. Hear and speak to people on your property from your mobile device with a built-in microphone and speakers. Activate the siren from anywhere via your phone, tablet, and PC. Shine a light on activity with two motion-activated ultra-bright floodlights. Customize your motion zones to focus on the most important areas of your yard. Connects with select Alexa devices to launch on-demand video at the sound of your voice. With Control Center, you can add and remove authorized client devices, shared users, and select linked accounts, all from one place on your phone, tablet, or PC. Reciprocating Saw 1651. The Bosch CRS 180 18-volt reciprocating saw features an impressive array of features and benefits. It has a 1 1/8 inch stroke for enhanced material removal per stroke. Its two speed ranges of 0 to 2400 SPM and 0 to 2700 SPM allow match of speed to the application. The compact size of the saw makes it easier to get into tight spaces. Its handle is ergonomically shaped with comfort zone in the soft grip area for a secure hold and low user fatigue. The saw also includes the Bosch exclusive lockjaw blade holder for fast one-handed blade change. The SawZone electrical package includes electronic motor protection to protect the motor against overload and ensures a long lifetime. The CRS 180 uses Bosch 18-volt lithium-ion batteries sold separately that feature the innovative Cool Pack design to ensure optimum heat dissipation and therefore increase lifetime by up to 100% compared to batteries without Cool Pack. The Bosch CRS 180B reciprocating saw delivers 1 1/8 inch stroke to remove more material per stroke, with a Bosch exclusive lockjaw blade holder for fast one-handed blade changes. This reciprocating saw is built for speed and efficiency. Dust Trap Drilling Shroud. The Milwaukee SDS Plus Dust Trap Drilling Shroud is the industry's first OSHA-compliant solution without a vacuum, ideal for overhead drilling and applications. This universal fit allows the dust trap to work with all SDS Plus rotary hammers and SDS Plus drill bits up to an 1/8 inch length, including stop bits and other anchor installation tools. The clear sleeve allows visibility while the locking mechanism enables easy storage on the job site. The compact collapsible design is ideal for tough-to-reach places, providing superior productivity. The dust trap is an OSHA objective data-compliant solution when used without a vacuum and OSHA Table 1 compliant when used with a dust extractor, giving users the flexibility to adjust to the daily demands of the job site while being compliant. Smith's Jiffy Pro Pro Series 7.58 inch overall, composition housing with soft gripped handle. Knuckle guard, 2-stage sharpening, coarse and fine, features carbide and ceramic surfaces, premium abrasives for a sharper cutting edge, features large slot and handle for game shears, preset sharpening angles for excellent results every time, designed for field or home use, easily attached to belt or backpack, sharpen knives, scissors, and game shears, ideal for sharpening skinning, fillet knives. The Jiffy Pro also includes a scissor sharpener integrated into the handle. It uses a patented floating carbide rod that adjusts to fit the precise bevel of the blades, and it's been specifically enlarged to accommodate game shears. The crossed carbide blades used in the head of the Jiffy Pro are precision ground to provide smoother, more consistent metal removal when setting the edge on a very dull or damaged straight edge blade. The extra fine crossed ceramic rods on the side of the sharpener are designed to finish and polish the edge to razor sharpness. They are also excellent to use for maintaining an already sharp cutting edge by pulling the blade through the sharpening slot 3 or 4 times before each use, and as soon as you notice it's not working as well as it should during use. Black & Decker BDCS 50C. Stop fumbling for bits. Onboard 8-bit storage plus long-lasting lithium power keeps it all ready and at your fingertips. The Black & Decker BDCS 50C 4-volt Rotobit storage screwdriver features 4-volt lithium power that holds a charge up to 18 months. This screwdriver has a rotating bit cartridge that stores bits and provides easy accessibility, and also includes 8 bits for a wide variety of tasks. An onboard magnet holds extra screws, freeing up your hands for other tasks, and it has an LED light which illuminates your work surface. The Capro 340 post level is a 5.4 inch by 7.6 inch spirit level with 2 level vials and 1 plumb vial with a sensitivity of 0.001 inch for simultaneously determining the horizontal and vertical plane of posts, pipes, and beams. The vials are made of injection molded acrylic to resist breakage. The level folds closed, opens flat, and locks every 15 degrees to accommodate different pipe, post, and beam sizes to 6 inches in diameter. It has 4 magnets for attaching to metal surfaces and an elastic band for securing to non-metal surfaces, and is made of PVC for impact resistance. Levels are used in the building trades, engineering, surveying, and metalworking, among other applications. Levels are instruments that are used to determine the true horizontal or vertical plane of a surface. The most common type of level is the spirit level, or bubble level. Spirit levels have a liquid-filled, bowed tube with a bubble that moves when slight adjustments are made to the level. The Capro Prostrite folding level features 3 vials for clear and easy readability. The Postrite folds closed for easy storage and opens flat, with a click lock mechanism for every 15 degrees. It also consists of 4 powerful magnets for metal surfaces and an adjustable elastic strap to securely grip onto non-metal surfaces. Knipex Spring Hose Clamp Pliers. The Knipex Spring Hose Clamp Pliers is the solution to handling any spring clamps. With a slim head design, the plier jaws can fit into tight places at any angle. Spring clamps up to 3 inches can be addressed due to the quick set adjustment. Rotating tips make for easy yet powerful connection to the clamp. Knipex clamp pliers are known for their quality, and it is no exception in this line of Knipex hose clamp pliers. All the Knipex pliers tested have dipped handles to make it easy to grip and easy to clean. The jaws open easy and are simple to adjust for those that do. The long handles provide sufficient clamping force without struggle. The German-made chrome vanadium electric steel, forged and oil-hardened, ensure durability. Back with a Knipex lifetime warranty. These clamp pliers are sure to be around for years to come. These Knipex pliers are not cheap, so you can expect to pay about $75 each. While this is pretty steep, there is a price to pay for quality and durability. Whether you need to remove and install click clamps, ear clamps, or spring clamps, I would recommend the Knipex hose clamp pliers. You never know when you might need them, and there is nothing like having the right tool. Ideal for frequent changeovers to workpieces of different sizes. Automatic adjustment per one-handed operation, both for right-handed and left-handed use. Good access to the workpiece thanks to the slim dimensions in the head and joint area and the flush joint bolt. Self-locking on pipes and nuts. No slipping on the workpiece, and low hand force required. Gripping surface with special hardened teeth. FlexPro. The FlexPro sander is a patented product and a very simple, smart idea that revolutionizes the old way of hand sanding. This ergonomically designed sander provides a natural grip for any angle or hand position, and making it easier to hold and harder to drop. It's perfect for using on drywall, wood, metal, fiberglass, and painted surfaces. You'll enjoy better control for more efficient and consistent sanding. Stretch to a corner, but don't contort. Move the ladder fewer times. Drop the tool less. And best yet, substantially cut your sanding time. The FlexPro sander includes the most popular sandpaper grits to get you started. Color-coded paper lets you quickly find the right grip for the job. The Velcro backing provides a quick release and just as rapid a replacement. Just wrap it on the blade and you're ready to go. The tool includes 3 color-coded premium sandpaper sheets, 100, 150, and 240 grits. It measures 6 by 1.5 by 8.5 inches and weighs only 5.6 ounces. Velcro backing provides easy on and off. Just wrap it on the blade and you're ready to go. FlexPro hand sander tool sold separately. Hex wrench. Hex jaw design gives multi-sided secure grips on all hex nuts, square nuts, unions, and valve packing nuts. The extra wide opening offset model is ideal for securing drain nuts on sinks and tubs. Thin, smooth jaws slip into the tightest places. Rigid branded tools are known the world over as the best-in-class tools that allow the end user to complete jobs more quickly and reliably. However, there's added peace of mind with the Rigid full lifetime warranty. Topic: Ratchet Rocket Light NTX. You shouldn't have to settle for awkward fidgeting when you're fixing your bike, road, or trail side with a bulky multi-tool. And Topic's Ratchet Rocket Light NTX lets you streamline the process with a sleek pocket tool set. Instead of a folding set, The Ratchet Rocket Lite NTX uses a miniature ratchet wrench that pairs up with your nano torque bit of choice to make repairs a breeze. 3 different bits allow you to choose between tightening your bolts to 4, 5, or 6 Newton meters, so you can make sure your screws and bolts are cinched down right where you want them, and not a bit tighter. The miniature ratchet tool and bits are all constructed with hardened steel for a long lifetime of use, and each fits neatly in the protective case that keeps bits secure and organized. Hurricane Spin Scrubber. Hurricane Spin Scrubber will blast through every last bit of dirt, grime, soap scum, lime scale, calcium, and hard water stains like a whirlwind. The Hurricane Spin Scrubber can be used indoors and outdoors. It is ideal for curves, tiles, sinks, toilets, bathtubs, door slots, shower windows, also clean car tires, and magnets. Flexible rotating bristles are molded into cracks and crevices, corners and shower tracks for super chemical-free cleaning. The high 360-degree rotation speed satisfies your long working need to clean and thoroughly clean the dirt without interruption. No elbow grease required. Relax your knees, shoulders, and back. Use our powerful lightweight rotary cleaner including long extension handle to clean tight, hard-to-reach places. The rotary cleaner can be used to work through soap, mold, and grime. Flexible bristles that get into cracks and crevices with maximum efficiency. Scrubbing tiles with a handheld brush is back-breaking work. It takes forever, and the next day your body hurts. Blast through grime for a sparkly clean every time you use Hurricane Spin Scrubber. The motorized scrub brush does the work for you. Effortlessly scrub away soap scum, calcium deposits, hard water stains, built-up grime, and so much more. 3-in-1 Trowel and Scraper. Silicone trowel and scraper consists of a fixed blade caulk remover and scraper with an adjustable radius. It works with acrylic latex and silicone and is handy for window, bath, and shower projects. This thick tool can help you repair the gap and clean residual glue, which is convenient and beautiful, improves the binder quality and aesthetic sense of the surface. The stainless steel head scraper removes old, tough glue easily. Silicone paddle to eliminate bumps and superficial dents. It is made of durable, thick plastic, easy to clean without waste and squash, and they are reusable with a long life. It does not scratch the surface on which the silicone is being used. Now you can prevent any loose edges of silicone that trap moisture. The spatula is finished with corners with different angles, allowing you to choose the appropriate tip for the job. LexiSnake. Sink snakes are a safe, affordable alternative to chemical drain cleaners, but some models are far from convenient. Jagged barbs catch on the drain and can even scratch your pipes, while stiff, rigid ones make it impossible to accommodate curved plumbing. With the Drain Weasel, FlexiSnake is revolutionizing the way you tackle clogs. It's all thanks to a 100-plus micro hooks, specially designed to grab and hold hair on contact. And like any other sink snakes, they won't latch onto the drain or damage your pipes. With 360-degree rotation, the Weasel Pipe Snake effectively tackles your biggest clogs. The secret is our incredible patented micro hooks, which grab onto hair, filth, and grime without damaging your pipes or catching on drain parts. Measuring 18 inches in length, deep, hard-to-reach clogs are no longer out of your grasp. And because our drain pipe cleaners are flexible and ultra-thin, they wind around curves and slip into most drains and grates with no disassembly required. Featuring Quick Connect technology and a molded plastic sleeve, our shower drain cleaner wand remains securely in place as you work. We created a strong and durable product which is a must-have in all homes. Chemical drain cleaners take 30 to 60 minutes and are often not effective on these types of slow-running or blocked drains. The Drain Weasel Hair Clog Tool, with its patented micro hook tip, fixes these types of clogged drains instantly. Add an Inch Tool. Add an Inch is a tool that was born out of necessity during a particularly frustrating remodeling project. This task required precision in tight corners, and it seemed nearly impossible to get those exact measurements. No more wasting time and materials trying to get an accurate fit while cutting materials for cabinets, baseboards, trim, crown molding, and flooring. If this sounds familiar to you, you need the Add an Inch tool, the universal tape measure add-on. You can now get those exact corner measurements, frustration-free. Plus, 2 levels on the tool help with hanging cabinets, pictures, blinds, shelving, towel bars, and much more. From big projects to small, Add an Inch will be a standard for anyone who uses it. Simply slip the Add an Inch tool on your tape measure without tightening the knob. With the Add an Inch tool locked in place, use the upper or lower marking spot for consistent measurements when building shelves, stairs, and so much more. Ryobi Lock Installation Kit. Ryobi introduces the Wood Metal Door Lock Installation Kit. The Ryobi Wood Metal Door Lock Installation Kit guides hole saws when installing lock sets and deadbolts. This kit features a dual backset adjustment and auto strike locator for improved accuracy with no additional measurements needed. For use on doors with a thickness range of 1 3/8 inch to 1 3/4 inch, the wood metal door lock installation kit includes a door lock bracket, 2 bimetal hole saws, an arbor with a pilot bit, a 1-inch wood spade bit, bronze oxide drill bits, and a 2-inch double-ended screwdriver bit. The Ryobi wood metal door lock installation kit is as easy as 1, 2, 3. The auto strike locator aligns the template bracket with the strike plate to ensure accuracy every time, and all without measuring. It includes everything you need to install deadbolts or lock sets in wood or metal doors. HK Porter Pivot Handle Cable Cutter. Pivot Handle Cable Cutter is an electrical and communication cable cutter with a unique pivot handle designed to increase access and comfort when cutting. Pivot handle significantly lessens handle footprint, making cuts in vaults and trenches easier. User does not have to spread his hands far apart at the start of the cut, making initial cutting motions easier. Ultra-robust ratchet mechanism utilizes clevis design for protection against damage and heavy use. Pivot handle significantly lessens handle footprint, making cuts in vaults and trenches easier. User does not have to spread his hands far apart at the start of the cut, making initial cutting motions easier. Ultra-robust ratchet mechanism utilizes clevis design for protection against damage and heavy use. Short handle version improves access, even more in vaults, manholes, and other tight-fitting areas. Kreg 90-degree corner clamp. The Kreg 90-degree corner clamp gives you the helping hand you need to hold 90-degree corners and T-joints together securely when you're assembling boxes, drawers, cabinets, and cases. Plus, the 90-degree corner clamp leaves both of your hands free to add your fasteners. The 90-degree corner clamp is the fastest, easiest to use corner clamp you can buy thanks to Kreg AutoMax auto-adjusting technology. The 90-degree corner clamp helps hold assemblies like boxes, cabinets, drawers, and cases together to ensure that you get strong, tight-fitting assemblies. Whether you're using Kreg pocket hole joinery or another method, the clamp's V-wedge jaws grip the mating pieces securely, ensuring that the pieces sit at precise 90-degree angles while you drive in Kreg screws or even another type of fastener, such as a nail or wood screw. The 90-degree corner clamp features all-metal construction, including cast aluminum pads, an outer V and inner wedge that press against the inside and outside faces of the two pieces being joined in order to hold those pieces at a 90-degree angle to one another. Edge stop also helps align the edges of the pieces to ensure accurate assembly of structures like boxes, cabinets, drawers, and cases. WIS Flip Joint. Flip Joint, the new 8-inch fast-action cable cutter and sheath knife from WIS. Cut, slice, strip. Flip Joint performs the 3 functions electricians do most in a single rugged tool. Simply cut, flip the handle to expose Flip Joint's ultra-sharp sheath cutter, slice and flip the handle back for a quick strip. Every professional knows time is money. Flip Joint eliminates constantly reaching for individual tools. On the job, that means less tools in your tool belt and more cuts over the course of the day. Flip Joint's powerful, high-leverage jaws easily cut vinyl-coated cable up to 10-3. The specially designed induction-hardened cutting knife easily slices through sheathing for quick removal. Integrated notches in the blades strip wire fast and can be used to cut smaller cable. And Flip Joint's non-script grip helps ensure precise cuts, even in tough conditions. Smart contour handles for increased hand comfort when cutting cable, and non-slip resistance for cutting vinyl cable sheath.
Thanks for watching. If these 100 Unreal tools impressed you, drop a like, share with your fellow makers, and hit subscribe for more tool pack content. Got a favorite? Let us know in the comments, or tell us what we missed. Until next time, keep building, stay sharp, and keep